create stunning AI cinematic pug videos like Chengyu movies, and I will share how you can make similar videos like this. And as you can see, there is enormous amount of growth, and as you can see, it has just 27 videos with 4.16 million subscribers. So as you can see here, when I click on more, and it is a US based channel, and it has got so many number of views just with 27 videos. And as you can see here, and let me show you the popular videos, how much views it has got: 427 million, 237 million, 76 million. So you can understand how much amount of money this channel is making. So you can make the same using this tutorial. So let's start with it. So for prompt generation, you can try this perchance.org, which is slash AI text to image generator. So this is a free tool, and freely you can use without any login. And here click on this icon, and here write a white pug and a rabbit playing in a dense forest, comma, picture style images. Click on OK, and it will write the prompt for you, and it will do all the hard works for you. So as you can see, the prompt is getting written. So this is the whole prompt, as you can see, and you can just copy it and paste it to make videos or images from any type of device or any type of AI tools. But if you want to create images and videos with simple prompt, visit Meta AI, and next I will show you how to make the images with simple prompts and animate them. Click on imagine and make sure the dimension is 9:16, and I will write here imagine is written by default. Here I will write a white pug rescuing a rabbit from a dense forest, and with pressing a comma button, and I will write picture style images and click on submit here. And as you can see here, the images are generated. Now I will just click on animate, and here as you can see, the images are getting animated here. But I really don't like these images because here just the zoom in and zoom out is happening, no characters are moving. So I will just try another time with a slightly different prompt. So I will write here a white pug and a rabbit in playing in a dense forest. So I will keep all of them same, just change the prompt slightly and click on generate. So another 4 images are generated, as you can see. Now let's click on animate here. And this time, as you can see, the characters are moving, and what I liked is that when I change the prompt slightly, it is working for me, and this video really is looking good here in this among these 4. And you can just download it clicking this icon, and your video will be ready. And I hope you can make similar types of images or videos like this using Meta AI, and just change the prompt a little bit, and you can make similar videos.